How to log into Premier League. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily log into your Fantasy Premier League account. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Premier League application, and in order to log in you can head over to the More section or the profile icon that you see on the bottom left corner of your screen right here. You could just tap on it and then tap on sign into my PL, or if you are new you can join and create a new account. I'm just going to go ahead and sign in, and then from here you have multiple options that you can choose from. You can either sign in with Google, Facebook, Apple ID, or X, or you could use your email address and your password. So if I just go ahead and enter my email address right here and then password and click on sign in, you should be able to sign into your account easily. Now, if you have forgotten your password, you could just go ahead and click on reset password, and it's going to take you to a reset page where you can enter your email address, and then it should help you recover your account. So I'm just going to quickly enter my login credentials and log in. Once you've entered all of your credentials, tap on sign in option and it's going to completely log into your Premier League account. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.